Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is IELTS Cambridge-16 Test-1 reading Passage 3. It's about the future of work. In this video, we'll try to solve question from 35 to 40. It's about the match each statement with the correct person A, B, C. It's the statement matching. Here is given person name A. Stella Pasidi, B. Hamish Law, C. UN McGoggy. Here is give some statement which provide by three person. Now we'll try to understand the statement which is given A, B, C. In question number 35, greater level of automation will not result in lower employment. That means it increase the employment or work source. Question number 36. There are several reasons why AI are appealing to business. This mean AI increase the business use in business. Contribution of AI in business. Question number 37. AI potential to transform people's lives has parallel with the major cultural shift which occurred in previous eras. Question number 38. It is important to be aware of the range of problems that AI causes. That means AI problem of AI which created in humans' life. Question number 39. People are going to follow less conventional career path than in the past. Question number 40. Authorities should take measures to ensure that there will be adequately paid work for everyone. We'll find this name from this passage. Stella Pasidi. We'll don't read this full name, just we'll mark here Stella, Hamish Law, and UN McGoggy. Here is the passage. Now we'll find the person name which is mentioned in the statement question. According to leading, there is no person. Stella. Yes, we find Dr. Stella Pasidi here, and what's his statement given here? Believe some of the most fundamental change in helping result of algorithmication of job that depend on data rather than on production. Another student here is the another Pasidi. In many cases, they can outperform human. Another statement, organizations are attracted to using algorithms because they want to make choice based on what they consider perfect information, as well as to reduce cost and enhance productivity. So as mentioned here, organizations are attracted to using the algorithm because they want to reduce their cost and enhance productivity. So it's a match with, there are several reasons why AI is appealing in business. So it's a match with this Stella Pasidi statement. Answer number 36 will be A. What is the next statement given by Pasidi? As here mentioned, Pasidi what says, but these enhancements are not without consequences. Here another statement, if routine cognitive tasks are taken over by AI, how do professions develop their future expertise? She asked. The opacity here mentioned what says, another issue extended which are technology influence even control the workforce using. There is no statement given here. As give Pasidi believes short site begin creep into working practice. Algorithm I. This says about algorithm I. There is no information. This passage says we need to make sure we fully understand the dilemma that these new words raise regarding expertise, occupation boundaries, and control. So it's a problem related, and it's caused the AI here is say something AI could say problem. So which match with this, there is says some problem here. This statement match with this problem. It is important to aware the range of problem that AI causes. This statement given by Stella Passady. 38 nong answer is A, because this statement given by Stella Passady, the economist Professor Hamish Law. Yes, we find here Hamish Law. Future work will involve major transition across the whole life courses for everyone. The traditional transitory of full-time education followed by full-time work followed by passionate retirement in thing of the past, which is statement match with this Hamish law. Greater level of automation, not result of lower employment. No, it's not matching as it's completed. AI potential transformation, people live parallel major culture shift. No, it's not matching. People are going to follow less conventional career path than in the past. Yes, as mentioned here, in the past the conventional traditional method. So answer of question on 39 is B, because this statement is given by Hamish law. On the subject of job loss law, here is the laws, and is this topic is about job losses. So what's his statement? Now we have to find out his statement. What's the statement of law? From here it assumes that the number of job is fixed. If in 30 years half of the 100 jobs are being carried out by robots, that does not mean we are left with just 50 jobs for human. The number of jobs will increase. Yes, as mentioned here, the number of job will increase. We would expect there to be 150 jobs. So number of job are increase as mentioned here. And question number 35 says the greater level of automation will not result in lower employment. That means it says Hamish law says job sector will increase. Now again we'll read the number of job will increase. This statement match with 35. So 35 answer is B. We have finished this on and this one. We have remained just two questions. AI potential of transform people live parallel major cultural shift of era. Automation should authorities should take measure ensure that adequate paid work for everyone. As mentioned here, Dr. Ewan McGogie. Now we'll get his statement. What he says. There is no statement here. It is the law. It is a law that restricted of supply of capital job market, not the evidence of new technologies that causes unemployment. His recent published teachers answer question, the automation. AI robotics will mean jobless future. If there is going to be change to a job as a result of AI and robots, then I would like to see Government seizing the opportunity to improve policy to enforce good job security. As mentioned here, good job security government authority. This statement now 40 said authorities should take measure to ensure that adequate paid job. So this statement match with this UN Gogi's statement. So C is answer of 14. As mentioned here, AI and robotic will mean jobless future. By looking at the cause of unemployment, history is clear that change can mean redundant, but social policy can tackle these thought retaining and redevelopment. Here, AI's potential of transform people lives as parallel cultural historical shift or cultural shift in previous eras. So answer number 37 is C.